Hello, my name is Jeff. Welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Our website is selectmotors.com. This is a 2013 X1 28i. It's all-wheel drive. The color is Glacier Silver Metallic. It's black leather interior. Very low miles, two-owner car. The body's exceptional. There's no scratches. The paint finish is like new. The wheels are exceptional as well. No curb rash. And very new tires. Very few miles on these tires. On the inside, we have a black leather interior. Power seats on both sides. Heated seats, has rain sensing wipers, automatic climate control, power panorama roof with a power shade. The seats will fold down flat in the back. Here's a look at the cargo space. This has power folding side mirrors. Has comfort access of keyless locking and ignition. You just hold your finger on the button or on the handle and it locks as long as the key's on you. Then if you want to unlock it, just grab the handle and it unlocks. The driver's seat has a lumbar and a two-position memory. Here's a look at the inside. To start it, just push the button. That's it. It's got a compass in the mirror. Garage door openers. I'll give you a look at the power shade. Then the power side mirrors. Back on the outside. Vehicle's been well maintained. It had or was BMW certified just 6,000 miles ago. So it's great shape cosmetically and mechanically. Thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon.